What's up, everybody? Dan Henry here, and I'm so excited because I just moved into my new place. And I finally have my camera and all my stuff set up to create YouTube videos and sales videos and all that kind of stuff. So in this video, I'm just going to kind of explain where I was and my lack of videos.
Oh no. Anyway.
And Dan-ness out into the world.
Hi, I'm Dan Henry. I used to deliver pizza and sell water bottles to pay my rent. Then I discovered entrepreneurship and grew a $20 million online business. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how.
So I sold my house over in Gulfport, Florida just a few weeks ago, and I closed on this new penthouse condo in downtown St. Petersburg. I had to stay at like an Airbnb and one of the other properties I own up north for a little over a week because the closing dates were a week apart. So I kind of didn't have a place to like call home for a week. And I lost probably virtually everything that's important in the move and found all the stuff that I don't need. And so it's been a little bit difficult to do YouTube videos and do things like that, but I finally got set up in here. It's funny because I don't have much furniture in this place, but I have my camera and my microphone and I'm ready to put out more content, videos. Also, I got to do some new stuff for some of our sales stuff. So that is today's update. One of the things that I talked about last video I put out was, why I sold my house. Let me talk a little bit more about why I decided to get into a condo and the theory behind that. So the thing is that there's a lot of mental real estate that gets taken up with taking care of a home. There's dealing with maintenance and contractors and all kinds of stuff. And I get it. I have somebody that takes care of that for me. But still, when I'm sitting here recording a video like right now, literally half the time somebody will knock on the door and, like the bug guy. The bug guy. Oh my gosh, the bug guy. He comes by the house every week to spray for bugs outside of the house. And every week he knocks on the door. And every week I say to him, hey man, just spray for the bugs. You ain't gotta knock on the door. I get it. You're here. Don't care. Just spray for the bugs. And every week he's like, oh yeah, I just want you to know that I'm here. I don't care. And so just constant interruptions at a house, especially in a yacht club community where all this stuff's going on. So I decided that I would get a penthouse condo where I could be left alone, do my work, build my empire, and create amazing content for the world to see and help them with stuff that I know. I thought that this would be the best possible place to do that because in order to knock on my door here, you have to call a number. I have to buzz you in. So, and I put my phone on silent. Guess what happens? You don't get in.
Smart move.
So I get ultimate focus here. Plus, it's honestly pretty bougie. I apologize for the weird camera lighting. Gonna get that all fixed, but just got set up. Anyway, that's it. I really don't have anything else impactful to say. I'm not here to change your life today or teach you any business secrets. I thought I would just give you an update on where I was, what I've been doing, and why I moved in. And ultimately, it's a matter of focus. Because the truth is that we often think about focus in terms of things like, a technique or a method or a software or something like that. And in reality, focus is all about the world you create around you. And so, for me, I knew that if I could create an environment where I would have more focus, it would help me build my companies faster. What better way to do that than scale down, nice penthouse condo, downtown, everything's close, everything's fast. I think I'm gonna be really, really happy here, and I just can't wait to share more with you guys and really be able to pump out some stuff. I got some amazing stuff coming up with howtothink.com, my planner that's doing very well, and showing you guys more about how to grow your business. Because remember, if you want to do great things in life, there's 3 key areas. There's mindset, understanding how to have the proper mindset. There's productivity, you got to get stuff done. And there's the knowledge around building a business. And those are the 3 things I focused on helping you with. So I look forward to continuing to serve. Don't forget to subscribe. And I do have a big announcement on the next video of some fundamental changes I'm making to my business and my YouTube channel and why things are going to be pretty different around Dan Henry land. So stay tuned for that. Talk soon.